From 2001 to 2018, overdose deaths in county jails increased more than 200%, according to the Department of Justice.
James Mannion died of an overdose at the Cumberland County Jail in 2022. Though one case doesn't speak for all, his family believes it's the fault of the jail and its healthcare provider, Armor Healthcare. Now they're taking legal action. Pearl Small joins us now with more. Hi, Pearl.
Hey, Brian and Amanda. Taylor Webster tells me she was with her daughter on her way to visit James, the father of her two kids, when she got the call that he had been found dead. For her family, the death is tragic, but she also believes it was easily preventable. And she wants to use this as a platform to fight for change.
He was a good father, and he was always there for his kids.
It's hard for Taylor Webster to explain to her two children why their father, James Mannion, won't be there anymore. Partially because she's still trying to make sense of it herself.
You know, you forget and you're just wrapped up in life, and then you remember for a minute and it's just like, why?
Her questions start after Mannion was incarcerated at the Cumberland County Jail in 2021 for drug-related charges. He had struggled with opioid addiction and was being treated with Suboxone to recover.
His life was essentially in the jail's hands to make sure that he was, you know, safe. And
Webster says instead they put him in more danger by stopping his treatment. According to a press release we got, Mannion was found dead in his cell in August of 2022. Webster says she found out later he died of an overdose.
His life was stolen from him.
Webster filed a lawsuit earlier this month against the jail and its healthcare provider for what her attorney, David Sinkman, says is a clear case of wrongful death.
It's like denying insulin to a diabetic. It's cruel, it's unjustifiable, and it's dangerous.
In 2019, the Cumberland County Jail was one of 15 sites nationwide chosen to receive training on how to deal with opioid addiction and treatment among inmates. Suboxone is a widely used drug for this.
They didn't provide it for James, despite knowing that he needed this medication. And he predictably relapsed and overdosed and died. And that's a tragedy, and they should be held accountable for their actions.
Accountability, Webster is hoping, has a bigger impact on how prisoners like Mannion are viewed.
For addicts to be treated as humans and not just have a stigma, and for people to know that their lives are actually worth something.
For Webster and her children, that worth can't be put into words.
Olivia, in her calendar, she had put Dad's birthday. We'll probably, you know, celebrate his birthday.
Now, we reached out to both the Cumberland County Jail and its healthcare provider, Armor Healthcare. Armor said they don't comment on complaints pending investigation, and the jail said they do not discuss cases involving active litigation. Amanda and Brian.
Pearl Small, live in our studio tonight. Pearl, thank you.